Camping with your pet can create lasting memories, but it requires thoughtful preparation. Let's continue with more essential tips to ensure a safe and enjoyable camping trip for you and your furry companion. 6. First aid kit. Pack a pet-specific first aid kit that includes items like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any necessary medications. Be prepared to address minor injuries or discomfort. 7. Leash and collar. Always have your pet on a leash or in a secure harness. This not only ensures their safety, but also helps protect wildlife and the environment. 8. Comfort items. Bring your pet's favorite blanket or toy to provide comfort and familiarity in the new camping environment. 9. Waste disposal. Carry waste disposal bags and be responsible for cleaning up after your pet. Leave no trace to help preserve the natural beauty of the outdoors. 10. Vet records. Keep copies of your pet's vet records, including vaccinations and emergency contacts. It's essential to be prepared for any unexpected situations. By packing wisely and prioritizing your pet's safety and comfort, you can enjoy a wonderful outdoor adventure together. Gear up and embark on an unforgettable camping journey with your furry companion.